am back with another What Sold video. Here are 15 items that sold on eBay, Facebook, and Poshmark, with the majority of these items selling on Poshmark. The minimum net profit was at least $16, so I'm not one of those resellers that sells an item for $15 plus free shipping. These are profitable, worthwhile items that you too can find at your thrift stores and garage sales. If this sounds like something that interests you, stick around and let's get started. Okay, so we'll start on eBay. I sold this old leather belt. It was of pure cowhide. I paid $1 for it at Goodwill. It sold for $14.97, and the other paid $7 first class shipping. So my profit, $17.21. As you can see here, it was from RG Bulco, genuine leather, full grain cowhide. Next up, I sold a pair of Athleta hiking pants for women. These were plus size, so a great size. The thing with Athleta is they write the style number right on the inner tag, in this case 581043. So I Googled that number with the term Athleta, and it returned the style of hiking pants, which is what you see right here. I paid $3.75 for these at Goodwill. They sold for $35 on a best offer. The buyer paid $7 first class shipping. I was able to ship it for just $3.75, so I made some money on the shipping charge. So my profit, $32.79. So keep your eye out for Athleta. If you're new to my channel, my name is Zandra, also known as Piece of Scrap on eBay, Facebook, Poshmark, and Mercari. I'm a part-time reseller on those websites, and what that means is I pick undervalued items at garage sales and thrift stores and flip them for a profit online. Now, I do this in my spare time just for fun, so you won't see me picking up penny dollar items and flip them for $10 plus free shipping on eBay. These are highly profitable items that you too can find at your garage sales and thrift stores. If you like this kind of video where I get right to the point and cut out all the chatter, give this video a thumbs up, and while you're at it, click subscribe. I need all the subscribers I can get. Next up, I sold a pair of running shoes, Saucony Guide trail shoes for women. I paid $3.50 for these. They sold on a best offer of $30, and the buyer paid $13 priority shipping. So my profit, $25.95. These did take a while to sell. They were listed for 5 months. And then when the offer came in, I quickly accepted it. So keep your eye open for these Saucony trail running shoes. Next, we'll hop over to Facebook. I sold this Fox Racing hooded sweatshirt. It was listed for just 1 month. I paid $4.50 for it. It sold for $35.20 on my promotion, and the buyer paid priority shipping of $9.25. The fees are lower on Facebook than any other platform. My fees were just $2.22. So my profit on the hoodie, $28.48. I have been selling Fox Racing sweatshirts mainly very well here lately. So keep your eye open for Fox Racing clothing. This is what the inner tag looks like. Next on Facebook is a Travis Matthew polo shirt. I picked up several of these that same day at Goodwill for $3.50. It sold for $24, and the buyer paid $5.75 shipping, so they were about $30 all in on this golf polo shirt. My profit, $18.89. So keep your eye open for Travis Matthew. Next up, I sold a Mountain Hardwear coat. I paid $7.50 for this back in March. It sold the beginning of July. So again, a Mountain Hardwear, I want to say ski coat, sold in July. I do list seasonal items year round, and this is why. It sold on promotion for $71.40. The buyer paid UPS shipping of $10.80. My profit on the snowboard jacket when it was all said and done was $59.54. Again, my fees were only $4.36. So keep your eye open for this Mountain Hardwear brand. The last item I like to share with you on Facebook was a scrub shirt, this one Disney. a great size 3X. These novelty scrub shirts do sell well, especially in Disney, and a larger size 2X and up. I paid $3.75 for this at Goodwill. It's sold on my promotion for $27.20. The buyer paid $5.75 shipping. So they were over $30 all in on this one scrub shirt. So my profit, $21.80. So do not undervalue your nursing scrub tops. Next, we'll hop over to Poshmark. I sold a pair of Nike golf shorts. These sold within 2 months of listing for $30. The buyer does pay shipping on Poshmark. I paid $3.75 for these. So my profit, $20.25. These Nike Golf Tour Performance Dry Fit Shorts. Next up, I sold a cool short sleeve shirt. It sold within 2 months of listing for $30. The buyer does pay shipping on Poshmark, so my profit, $18.53. I paid $3.75 for this shirt at Goodwill. Cool is an outdoor brand similar to a North Face. So I do pick up this KUHL brand when I do find it rather cheap at the thrift store and garage sales. Next up is a Harley Davidson shirt. I paid up for this, $8 for this shirt. I don't normally like to pay up for items, but when they're Harley Davidson embroidered on the back, I paid up $8. And as you can see here, they write the price right on the inner material tag. I leave that price there instead of trying to get it off and ruining the fabric. I just mention it in my description. The buyer paid my full price of $50, so my profit, $32 when it was all said and done on Poshmark. This sold within 3 days of listing. Next up, I sold a pin. I picked up a lot of these one day at a garage sale. They were just 50 cents each in the box. This sold for my full asking price of $39, so my profit on this one, $31.20. And I do have more of these pins available. If you're interested, you can check out all my online stores. I will have those links in the description below. The next item on Poshmark was a Soft Surroundings shirt. Now this is a shirt unlike any one I've seen from Soft Surroundings. It has the bra included. It's a t-shirt bra. I paid $3.75 for this. Now I did pick up a white one in this style as well, and it's still currently listed. This sold for my full asking price of $35. So my profit on this shirt was $24.25. And then I sold a bundle of 2 items for $45. The bundle included this pair of sandals, Sanuk, S-A-N-U-K. I paid $2.50 for these at a thrift store. It also included this Laura Ashley girls bra, which I've had since, well, going on 1 year. So when the offer came through on the bundle of $45, I quickly accepted it. So my profit on these 2 items was $33.50. The bra I paid $2 for, and the shoes, like I said, $2.50. So I was less than $5 in on both of these items, and I made a quick $33.50 profit. And the next item on Poshmark is a Tory Richard short sleeve button front shirt for men. I paid $3.50 for this. Now this did take about 6 months to sell. I listed it in January and it sold the beginning of July for $25. So my profit, $16.50. And the last item on Poshmark is a Columbia new with tags PFG long sleeved button front shirt. I paid $3.50 for this. This I've had going on 1 year. So I'm happy that it sold. I did think it would sell for more money as it was new with tag and a fishing shirt with the UPF protection. However, I was happy to see it go. My profit, $16.50. And I did have one kind of dud of a sale. This is a Stafford shirt. This was my son's old shirt. I picked up several of these for him, and he just didn't like the color. It's kind of a purple plaid color. So I ran a 99-cent auction, and this was bid up to $2.50. The buyer paid $7 shipping, and because it was my son's shirt, my cost of goods was just $0. So I made a quick $8.27 on this old shirt that my son no longer wanted. I'm going to try to knock out one more weekly what sold video, so I'm going to end this one here. If you do enjoy this kind of video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and pound that like button to let me know you'd love to see more of these. I will link another what sold video here. Continue watching.